guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a color changing polygel nail set on my sister. First, we're going to start with nail prep. Next, I am gluing on the tips with my KDS glue. And cutting them to the length she likes. As well shaping them to the style she wants. Next, I am using my primer and dehydrator, which I've used in all my videos. Everything I use will be linked in the description. And then I am painting a thin layer of base coat on each nail and curing for 30 seconds. Now I am using my color changing polygel. It changes from this purpley pink color to clear. I am just dipping my brush into some 91% isopropyl alcohol, which is my slip solution, and I am just smoothing out the polygel to cover the entire nail. I'm not worrying too much about the apex right now. I've decided that I'm just going to do one layer and then go back in after I cure this layer with another bead of polygel where the apex would be. After I have that smoothed out and perfected, I'm curing for 30 seconds. I mainly use two different types of polygels. I either use Makart polygel or Model 1's polygel, and they're both really good high quality products. I would say that Makart is much more stiffer than Model 1's, and I think since Model 1's is softer, it's much easier to mold into shape. Now I'm going in with another bead of polygel where the apex would be. And I'm just smoothing that out. This will give the nail a little more thickness in the right place so it won't be as easy to snap in half. On the second hand, I've decided to just put one big bead of polygel so that I don't have to go back in and add a bead for the apex. I usually do my nails like this, but I decided I wanted to try it a different way on the first hand. I'm taking my 100 grit nail file and reshaping the nail. Now I am taking the cylinder-shaped nail drill bit, I don't really know what it's called, but I'm going around the cuticle and sealing it. This will prevent lifting. For her nail design, she decided that she just wanted some bling on some of her nails. So as you can see from that nail at the top of the screen, I'm just copying that look, and putting that on her middle finger. I painted some top coat, and without curing, I'm placing all the gems. Now I am just adding some cuticle gems to her ring finger and her thumb. Next, I'm painting some top coat, and without curing it, I'm sprinkling on some glitter. This is going on her pointer finger and her pinky. Now I am going in with my top coat and I'm painting around the gems. This will give it an extra secure hold when you go around the gems. And I'm putting on top coat over the glitter nails. Now I am finishing off the look with some cuticle oil. Cuticle oil is a necessity for nails. It just finishes the look and just brings it all together. These are the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I post every Monday and Thursday at 12 p.m. and I'll see you guys next time.